Kiss my pets. What do they mean by kiss my pets? Kiss my ass. This all young knows over here. Oh, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are not going to do eating also not good for our health, so we are going to do a different one, clothing. Mom, clothing.
Oh no.
I brought some jeans jacket from our market, which is under 300. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna show you one by one. First of all, let's see my dress today. This is a lime green neon at UMT Himo. Monkey MTKpo. You just read it if you want to know.
Oh my god.
With one, this is my slipper, very dirty slipper, and I just wear this shorts. Oh, these days my ass is gone. Because I lost very many. Because I lost weight.
What?
Because I lost weight, my ass also. The fat is gone. Okay. The fat is gone. Okay. Anyway, let's go straight to our video. Okay. Let me show you one by one. So, this jeans black lamachima. Bang this charcoal black or charcoal blue to cap with.
Oh no!
This is it. Summer we can wear it in summer also. During summer also we can wear this because it's not heavy. It's so very fun. It's from I don't know. A brand mintel leo. This is the first one. This is it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Blue, sky blue hem. Navy blue low though. Blue to my hit you. Blue there's that may hit and yes saying low tomorrow. G2 alum jeans punchy low which what woolen something.
Oh no.
Apun min a fabric ko ile bang hem le hepo. I think it's from Korea, Japan. So hele Japan to kipo. Color hito hiniu khat wak dang sa bodang hi. Nal bon hi. I gave it 250 I guess. A first one pen kha jikha 200 in ke hai. Here we got one. Another one, the third one. There are so many holes. Here one, the back side one, back side two, back side 3 holes. Kiss my pets. What do they mean by kiss my pets? Kiss my ass. This all young knows over here. UK live it is. UK a queen what he a cheese cut a bello event. It's a large. G is a song I like 250. Nalve Toma Nalovang to Noto. Okay. This is how the hoop thing we have to puzzle like long. There are so many holes again. Here we got 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 hole, 4 pockets. So I could banale hole manai oh. Ji puti I am kept. Lenor veto. Jizu aman gen tak sang lo dilo aman gen dam very cheap you may. But no veto mo. Okay, let's go to the next one. ho 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 liền thôi hả gì chứ very big but very nice जी असा दे mo winter le ak the chu ji anu ya hai ni ga ji aga buch khat to ka khat to ka chu half pen hi ma winter lai half pen cheng chu ba bare whoa I found money similar lai ta ki jen tai thank you lord sum nei lo ka ve tu lai I'm very broke these days ngal ve thau mo okay last but not the least meet again da nei le last but not the least here we got the last one it's a crop submil nal dan mo submin pu ka sha lo kha tilaya ayang acham thumbnail a ding le na le ji wait let's do it for thumbnail okay kil hak dan ji apune sign din mo very thick your face is very thick ki golo ho pune tha pune sai cho ahoy ve tho ani it's a crop the original blue jeans this is a pair of shoes this is a pair of sweet camel exclusive special oh good Ji, how much do I pay it? 250. Ji zani someone ka pige cho. Ahoy the. Mok lu pu lo de cái chuyện này là mặt thiện kha. Okay guys, that's it. And I'm gonna wear one by one, okay? Ahoy yak le cho hoy ve thôi ti le sak le cho nal pum ma van him chi ak le atang nal okay cho. Okay. I'm gonna wear it one by one. Stay tuned. Let's see how it look under the sunlight. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Keep sharing, okay, my video. And I thought of doing Q&A for our next video, so I'm gonna what a community post ka lim khat ang post ka tin zat is it nuy ka. You can give a question what do you want to ask. Let's do ANQ, okay? At ANQ Q&A ANQ hele nang answer lapi ka mga question ng sim answer lapi zo mga question ng sim no. Okay, we are going to do Q&A, so get ready for your question, but don't give a stupid question like that diming sa mo ahilolo ho. Siguro re akong pick down lang ahitay na ka positive lampang dong leo ma. Okay, thanks for watching and keep supporting guys. Bye. Love you. Annyeonghaseyo. 사랑해 오빠.